Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Etsy to YouTube. So connecting Etsy to YouTube is mainly about linking your shop, promoting products and driving traffic. Etsy does not offer direct integration with YouTube for analytics or pixel tracking. So to connect them you will need to add your Etsy shop link to your YouTube channel at first. So just go ahead with your shop on Etsy. You will find the option right here and then just copy the link and paste it on your YouTube links. Then just save changes and your Etsy shop appears on your channel then, and about a section for easy access. Also, I do really advise you to go with Zapier and create an account or log in with your account right here, and then just go and click on create option on the top left corner and then go with this first option, Zaps. And right here guys, you will be presented with two methods. The first method is using the AI. So you will need to describe your workflow or your integrations. So you will need just to go with, for example, set Etsy as a trigger and YouTube as an action, for example. Then just go with start building, or just go with the manual method. So you will need to select trigger right here, type Etsy and select it. So to visualize it and to select it, you will need to have the premium version of Zapier, and after that go with action right here and look for YouTube and select YouTube. And afterward, you will need to go with action events and choose the action event from here. Add video to playlist, update video thumbnail, upload video, API request, etc. And then just sign in with your account here or YouTube account, and there you go. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.